Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Black Desert Online. I know I said in the last episode I was going to be playing Luckslinger, but I played a little bit of it just to see how it was. And hoo-wee! I don't know what's going on with that game. You use the arrow keys to control how you move. And I mean, I don't really have a problem with that, but it's just kind of gross, you know? I never like using the arrow keys to move. And then you use D to shoot and select, and then S to jump, and that was like, I just had no clue really how to work the controls, so I'm just gonna play Black Desert again. But I gotta make my videos more interesting, because the last ones kind of were boring and stupid. So I've gotten a little bit better, not crazy though, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Yeah, I think I'm gonna farm it. Alright, so now I am a level 2, and I am going to go do this quest up here. Oh, I just ate 2 cookies, now my stomach hurts. Get back to work, you giant. Oh, and I got a new gaming keyboard, so listen to this, listen to this. Ooh! It's coming closer! It's coming closer! Alright, go away. I'm gonna die. Oh yeah, my favorite cutscenes. Ew. I'm so tired now after sneezing like 1,000 times. That was a silly noise. Whew. Oh, I found my tissue, guys. We're good. Dude, Jake Paul's music sucks. Alright, invested in that. now let's go invest in this. Was all I was in the kitchen. Like a little kid from getting bullied red. Alright, we're putting our professional goblin worker to work here. Go, professional goblin work! I was in the kitchen whipping up food for kids on Thanksgiving. Alright, everybody. Well, I think that's going to be the end of this episode. Probably going to be playing more Black Desert. There's one more game I have in mind. I might play that, but as of now, I'm really focused on Black Desert because it's like one of my favorite games ever. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!